Hello everybody!
Hi.
Welcome again to Vlogs Asia by Dawn. I am here with my sister, Joy. We're on the way to Causeway Bay, one of my favorite districts in Hong Kong and also one of the busiest. Causeway Bay is where I was born and raised. It used to be a very special residential area, but it's become one of the busiest districts with all the shopping malls. This week we've had very few new cases of coronavirus. There were 2 days in this week where we had 0 cases, so we're keen to find out what's happening right now in Causeway Bay, and we'll be going to our favorite shopping place, IKEA. We'll see you there.
Causeway Bay, or in Chinese Tong Lo Wan, is a heavily built-up area of Hong Kong, located on Hong Kong Island and covering parts of Wan Chai District. The rent in the shopping areas of Causeway Bay was ranked as the world's most expensive for the second year in a row, after overtaking New York City's Fifth Avenue in 2012. Causeway Bay, or East Point, is one of Hong Kong's major shopping districts. It includes the 13-story Japanese-style department store Sogo, as well as shopping centers such as Times Square and Hysan Place. There are also smaller malls such as World Trade Center, Windsor House, Fashion Island, Fashion Walk, Lee Garden 1 and Lee Garden 2. Causeway Bay is one of the most crowded and central areas in Hong Kong. The area contains many trendy shops carrying both locally made and imported fashion and products from around the world. As such, it is a popular social spot for young people. Many shops are open until after midnight.
Hi guys! Hello! I'm here with my sister and my friend Debbie and my niece, Hannah. So we're on our way now to IKEA. There's loads of people in the background. It's Sunday afternoon. There are very few cases this week of coronavirus, so you can see. And we're almost there. How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
She's 15 and she is half
British, half Philippines.
I haven't seen her for weeks already.
I'm here now.
So she's with us now because we are heading to IKEA. houses and flats here in Hong Kong are so small. All the units, model units and designs here are pretty small as well. So this is only a 64 square foot kitchen with built-in cabinets and counters. An even smaller kitchen. So this is the 48 square foot kitchen. It's like really narrow. For such a small person like me. So the cabinets and the sink, washing machine, storage. Okay, so we're queuing now, and such a long
And that sums up our day in Causeway Bay. With no new COVID-19 cases recorded 3 days this week in Hong Kong, we're slowly seeing the pace and crowd gearing its way back up. It may not be a time to be complacent, but it's still a refreshing sight to have Hong Kong people hopeful for a COVID-free city soon. Hope you all enjoyed our Sunday trip to IKEA. I'm looking forward to sharing something more exciting in my next video, so stay tuned. But before I go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thanks everyone!